Our curricular benchmark is to calculate the probability and determine the expected occurrence of an event. The 8 counters, 3 red, 1 green and 4 blue, are contained in a bag. A counter is chosen at random. What is the probability of picking a red counter? To find the probability of something, we do the number of possible outcomes and then divide it by the total outcomes, giving us an answer of 3 over 8. Our curricular benchmark is to be able to calculate the probability and determine the expected occurrence of an event. The 8 counters, 3 red, 1 green and 4 blue, are contained in a bag. A counter is chosen at random. What is the probability of not picking a red counter? To find the probability of something, we do the number of possible outcomes over the total outcomes. As there is 1 green counter and 4 red counters, the probability of outcome is 5 over 8. Our curricular benchmark is to calculate the probability and determine the expected occurrence of an event. The 8 counters, 3 red, 1 green and 4 blue, are contained in a bag. A counter is chosen at random. What is the probability of picking a green counter? To find the probability, we use the formula number of possible outcomes over total outcomes. As there is only 1 green counter and 8 possible outcomes, our final answer is 1 over 8. Our curricular benchmark is to calculate the probability and determine the expected occurrence of an event. The 8 counters, 3 red, 1 green and 4 blue, are contained in a bag. A counter is chosen at random. What is the probability of picking a blue counter? To find the probability of something, we use the formula number of possible outcomes over total outcomes. As there are 4 blue counters and 8 possible outcomes, our final answer is 4 over 8. Because 4 and 8 are both factors of 4, we can simplify this to 1 over 2. Our curricular benchmark is to calculate the probability and determine the expected occurrence of an event. The 8 counters, 3 red, 1 green and 4 blue, are contained in a bag. A counter is chosen at random. What is the probability of picking a red or a blue counter? To find the probability of something, we do the number of possible outcomes over the total outcomes. Because there are 3 red counters and 4 blue counters, the possible outcome is 7, and the total outcome is 8, giving us a final answer of 7 over 8. Our curricular benchmark is to be able to calculate the probability and determine the expected occurrence of an event. The 8 counters, 3 red, 1 green and 4 blue, are contained in a bag. A counter is chosen at random. What is the sum of the 3 probabilities in A, C and D? To do this, we're going to add 3 8, 1 over 8 and 1 over 2. We have to make all of the denominators the same, 8. So we then now have 3 over 8 plus 1 over 8 plus 4 over 8, giving us a total of 8 over 8, which can be simplified to 1.